Have you ever wondered how the buildings we live and work in impact our environment? As we grapple with an escalating environmental crisis, the concept of sustainable architecture becomes a crucial point of discussion. It prompts us to think about our built environment in a new light. Can our buildings be more than just shelters? Can they be agents of environmental change? These are the questions that guide us towards sustainable architecture. Imagine if we could design and construct buildings that not only serve us but also serve our planet. Let's consider a real-life example. The Edge in Amsterdam, the greenest building in the world. Imagine a building that not only reduces its carbon footprint but also enhances the well-being of its occupants. This is not a distant dream anymore. The Edge in Amsterdam is a shining example of sustainable architecture, leading the way with its innovative design and groundbreaking features. The Edge is renowned for its energy-efficient features. The building boasts an intelligent LED lighting system which is powered by direct current and adjusts to the natural light available, reducing energy consumption. These lights are not just smart, they are also designed to emulate the natural rhythm of sunlight, contributing to a healthier and more productive workspace. But the energy efficiency of the Edge doesn't stop at lighting. The building also utilizes renewable energy sources. It's equipped with solar panels that generate more electricity than the building consumes, making it not just energy neutral, but energy positive. The design of the Edge goes beyond energy efficiency. It also focuses on reducing environmental impact by using recycled materials wherever possible, from the building structure to the interior furnishings. Furthermore, the building's design encourages natural ventilation and rainwater harvesting, further contributing to its sustainability. At the same time, the building's design ensures a comfortable and healthy space for its occupants. The use of natural light, open spaces, and greenery create a pleasant and productive environment, demonstrating that sustainable architecture does not compromise on comfort and aesthetics. The Edge in Amsterdam stands as a testament to what sustainable architecture can achieve. Sustainable architecture isn't just about reducing carbon emissions. It's about creating a better, healthier future for all of us. It's about integrating the principles of sustainability into our everyday lives, from the design of our homes to the construction of our cityscapes. Let's recap what we've learned today. Sustainable architecture brings a myriad of benefits. It enables energy efficiency, allowing us to harness the power of the sun and wind to light and heat our buildings. It also promotes improved occupant health by using materials that don't emit harmful chemicals and creating spaces that encourage physical activity and social interaction. Moreover, it significantly reduces environmental impact, helping us to preserve our precious planet for future generations. We all have a role to play in supporting this shift towards sustainability. Perhaps it's time to consider how we can incorporate these principles into our own homes, workplaces, or architectural designs. Sustainable architecture builds not just structures, but a future where humans and nature coexist in harmony. Now, isn't that a future worth building for?